Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to implement a NLP based project. This project is movies review sentiment analysis who classifies that the given review about the movie is a positive review or a negative review. Okay, so first of all import all the required libraries like pandas, numpy, label encoder. Label encoder basically converts the categorical data into the numeric data. Then NLTK is a NLP based library. This is a regular expression. RE is used for regular expression. Okay, so import all the required libraries. Now load my reviews data and show top 5 rows of our data. Okay, so this is my reviews and this is my sentiment target feature. Okay, then perform EDA, then check the shape of the data. 50,000 rows, total 50,000 rows and 2 columns. Check there is null value or not. Then describe my data, then information of my data, then check the unique value of sentiment. So unique values are positive and negative. Okay, then count the sentiment, like how many are positive and how many are negative. So 25,000 are positive reviews and 25,000 are negative reviews. Okay, then same visualize the count of sentiment. So 25,000 are negative and 25,000 are positive. Then apply the label encoding to make the categorical data into the numeric data. So it converts the positive into 1 and negative into 0. Okay. Then divide data into the independent and dependent. Okay. X stores the independent feature and Y stores the dependent feature. Okay. Then remove all special and numeric characters from the data and also remove stop words. Stop words like are, am, is, the, that, etc. Okay, and apply stemming. Stemming converts the sentences into the root word. Like if we have a 3 words final, finally, finalized, so it goes to the root word final. Okay, so after this process, show our corpus final data. Then apply TF-IDF vectorizer to convert the text data into vectors. Here I use a 5000 max features. So here it convert into the 5000 vectors. So x dot shape. Okay. Then split the data into the training and testing. 80% is the training data and 20% here. 20% here is the testing data. Then check the shape of the x-train, y-train, x-test, y-test. Then define my multinomial naive Bayes model. Then train my model with the help of X-train and Y-train training data and test my model on the test data and check the accuracy score, confusion matrix and classification report for check the performance of the model. So here I got 85% overall accuracy. Then check the difference between the actual and predicted data. Here you can see actual value is a positive and predicted value is a 1. Actual value is a 1 and predicted value is a 1. So after this process, then train my naive Bayes model and TF-IDF, then save my TF naive Bayes model and TF-IDF vectorizer. I save a TF-IDF vectorizer using the name count vectorizer. So just ignore this name. I'll save a TF-IDF vectorizer here. Okay, and also save my model movies reviews classification. Okay, then load my TF-IDF vectorizer and my model, then define my testing model for test on the custom dataset. Then this is my custom sentence. This is a wonderful movie of my life. Okay, then it predicts it correctly. This is a positive review. Then again I gave a negative review for the model. Then it again predict correctly that it's a negative review. Okay, then I also deployed this model using the Python framework Flask, which provides some tool to implement the web application. Okay, so just I copy same sentence, I copy same positive sentence, I just copy same positive sentence, and this is my deployment. After getting the code, you will get a app.py file. Just run this file in a command prompt python app.py. You will get a link, http this link. Just copy this link and paste into the browser. Okay, just paste into the browser. So I write a sentence here: this is a wonderful movie of my life. Then just click on the predict button. This is a positive review and it predict correctly. uh, Again, I copy a same sentence from here: this is a worst movie I have ever seen in my life, and just paste here and click on the predict. This is a negative review. It predicts correctly. Then I also deployed this model, this application on the Heroku platform on the server. Okay, so I just copy this same sentence, negative sentence. So this is my application which is deployed on the Heroku platform. You will get a link. Okay, don't worry. So I just paste here: this is the worst movie I have ever seen in my life. Just click on the predict. It predict negative review. Okay, again I copy a positive sentence from here and paste here: positive review. Okay, so this is my movies reviews classifier. And if you will get the source code of this project and how to run this project, how to use this project, how to make this project, what is the process of this project, all the explanation you will get here. You will get here in my blog. I upload here all the projects related blog. And if you are interested in NLP, ML, DL, Flask, Python, so you can follow my this blog. Okay, you can follow my blog for the upcoming projects related to data science. Okay, so thank you guys. We will meet you in the next project. Thank you guys.